Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're running a Shopify store, getting your shipping rates and settings dialed in is absolutely crucial. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to set up shipping rates in your store so you can deliver products smoothly and keep your customers happy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize your shipping prices, add a helpful delivery description, and even set up conditional pricing based on weight or order amount. Let's jump right into it. First, start by heading to your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll want to go down to the left side of the screen and click on Settings. From there, find and select Shipping and Delivery. This is the hub where all your shipping options live. Basically, it's the control center for anything related to getting products from your store to your customers' doorsteps. Once you're in Shipping and Delivery, you'll notice a section labeled General Shipping Rates. This is where most stores start, because these settings affect how your shipping is calculated for most orders. If you sell internationally, you'll see that shipping regions might be separated out. Sometimes the rates and methods differ depending on where the package is headed, which is really helpful if you want to fine-tune your international shipping strategy. To add a new shipping rate, click the button that says Add Rate. This opens up a window where you'll get to choose how the shipping is calculated. For rate type, you've got two main options. You can choose a flat rate, which is perfect if you want shipping to be consistent for every order. Say, $5 shipping for all domestic packages no matter what. Or, if you want to be a bit more hands-off, you can use a carrier or app to calculate rates automatically. That's super useful if you want rates based on real-time carrier prices. But for this walkthrough, we'll focus on the custom rate option. Now, you get to name your custom shipping rate. Be clear and descriptive here. Good names help your customers understand what they're getting, like standard shipping or express delivery. You can also add a delivery description in the next section. This is optional, but it goes a long way in building trust. For example, you might enter something like delivered in 3-5 business days, so there's no mystery about when their package will arrive. Next up, it's time to set the price for your custom shipping rate. Think about your product, your margins, and what your customers expect. If you need to cover your own shipping costs, make sure the rate reflects that. You can type in a specific price here. Here's a handy feature. You can add conditional pricing. Maybe you want to offer cheaper shipping for small, lightweight items, or give free shipping above a certain order value. Shopify lets you set requirements based on order weight or price, which can really help you incentivize bigger purchases while making sure you're not losing money on shipping. For example, you might offer free shipping on orders over $50. Or charge $10 for items that weigh more than 2 pounds. To do this, fill in the minimum and maximum weight fields if you want to set up weight-based rates, or decide on your order price criteria. Don't worry if you're not sure about the numbers. You can always adjust these settings later as you see how customers are ordering. Once everything looks good, simply click Done to save your rate. That's it. Your new shipping rate is now part of your checkout process, and customers will see it when they go to buy from your store. If something didn't make sense, or you're stuck on a particular step, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store's shipping setup.